Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, is it my voice is clear? Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Clear.
Yeah. I'll share my screen. Okay. Let me know once you people will be able to see it. Okay. Is it my? I'm sharing my screen. Hello. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, sir. Please
Is it?
do.
Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it visible now? Okay.
Yes, yes.
So actually, how many students are there? I can see only 1, 2, and 3. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in last class we discussed about the master data in SAP PP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, so you people told me that we have to start the classes from MRP. Okay, material requirement planning. Correct.
Correct.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Is it demand management was covered?
No, sir.
No. Okay, fine. So, do you people know what is demand management.
Based on the demand, we will do the production. Hello.
Okay. Yeah, okay, fine. So last time I asked you people to create the master data. Okay, material master, work center, routing, bill of material, and production version. How many have you created? Okay, so I request you people, please be active and proactive so that so attending the class will not much help you until unless you practice, okay, in the system.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine, no issues. So today we will start with demand management. So what is demand? So demand is nothing but wherever in a production process, demand is the driving key of the production process. Okay, so till unless you find any demand, you will not start production or you will not do any procurement. Correct?
एक्सक्यूज मी सर
Yeah, please tell me.
थोड़ा हिंदी में समझ में ज़्यादा बेटर लगेगा सर हिंदी इंग्लिश में सर इंग्लिश में थोड़ा
See,
नहीं पता चलता सर
yeah, okay. Meanwhile, I'll maybe okay, but other people cannot understand Hindi. Is it everyone understands Hindi?
सर क्या थोड़ी भाई इंग्लिश में नहीं समझ पता सर मैं
Okay, but correct, Rahul. It is better. I'll speak in English. Maybe later, if you have any doubt or something, you can ask me in between. Also, if you ask me, there is no issue. But we will do the class in English only. Okay, you can ask me if you are having any doubt.
सर कुछ समझ में नहीं डाउट सब रहेगा सर
Hello.
सर जब पूरा क्लास में नहीं समझी तो डाउट सब पूरा रहेगा
मतलब
सर हिंदी इंग्लिश में ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा सर
करेक्ट बट ये हिंदी क्लास नहीं है ना तो I'll speak, I'll try to speak, but it is a little difficult.
सर हिंदी में समझेगा सर बेटर सर
करेक्ट नहीं करेक्ट है लेकिन मतलब हर मतलब आई कुड नॉट फाइंड द मतलब हर मुझे ये शब्द भी आना है ना
हाँ सर बहुत लैंग्वेज ले सकते हो लेकिन मैक्सिमम सबको हिंदी समझती है मेरे ख्याल से तो किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए
जी सर
okay but today we will
जैसे ऐसे
continue
बता
with the
दें सर
English.
समझ में नहीं आएगा
Today we will continue with the English. If you have any issues, doubt, let us one more time discuss, and after that maybe we will check what can be done. Okay.
ओके सर
Okay. So today's class agenda is demand management. So in agenda of demand management, what we are going to cover is overview of demand management. Okay. Types of requirements. So demand management is nothing but a requirements. Requirement means something you want or something is needed. मतलब कुछ चाहिए जो production करने के लिए. Okay. These both the words are like similar. Okay. So the requirements means the requirements are nothing but the things you want. Okay. So how the requirements are divided into two. One is plant independent requirement and another one is customer requirement. Okay. What is customer requirement? Customer requirements is nothing but any customer comes to the production process or the plant and he comes to the sales department or sales division and he will ask for some finished good for some quantity. Okay, so that is called customer requirements or the customer requirement sales order or the sales orders will be coming from the customers. Okay, what is planned independent requirements? So in short, it is called as PIR. What is planned independent requirement? Is planned independent requirement is nothing but independent requirements. So it is not dependent on the customer. Okay, customer ke isme ye, it is not dependent, so it is independent. What do you mean by independent? So if you have a manufacturing unit or a facility where you independently see some forecast or demand. Forecast or demand is nothing but, so next month is what? August. Okay, July is, we are closing July, and next month is August. So in August month, in our production process of a production plant or facility, how many finished good, like any pumps or any finished good, like any computer or any mobile, how many I can produce and how many can be sold. So थोड़ा अंदाजा रहता है ना, कितना प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास कितना कैपेसिटी है, हमारे पास मशीन्स कितना है, जो हम इतने मोबाइल्स और इतने पंप्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, 100 पंप्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, अथवा और 100 टीवी प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, कितना प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं. तो वो दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपेसिटी एंड डिमांड. So demand is nothing but maybe 100 quantity of demand. Maybe I can expect in August. Okay, that is called demand. So that you foresee, or it you can see that 100 quantity का demand मतलब आ सकता है. Any मतलब any particular finished good, maybe either TV or computer or you understood, no? What is independent requirement? You have any doubts? Okay, one more time I'll explain you people. So if you have any doubts, let me know. Or maybe I may be speed, I may be slow, or you people are not understanding. Let me know so that I'll be able to make myself better to understand you people. Okay.
Sir, please repeat.
Okay.
Okay.
Is my voice is clear? Is it echo or दो बार सुनाई दे रहा है, or is it clear now?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes,
clear.
Is it clear? Okay. So let us understand first these 2 points. Okay. Before these 2 points, what we will understand, requirement and demand. Demand is मतलब को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं?
आवश्यकता.
हाँ, करेक्ट. सो आवश्यकता, करेक्ट. आवश्यकता, जो आपके पास एक प्रोडक्शन प्लांट है, आप साइकिल मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो या मोटरसाइकिल मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो, आपके पास प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस है. साइकिल मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए आपके पास कितना मशीन्स है? 10 मशीन्स है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल. ओके, 10 मशीन है, उसमें से आप क्या करते हो? 100 साइकिल क्रिएट करते हो, 100 साइकिल मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो. लेटस 100 साइकिल मैन्युफैक्चर करते हो हर महीना. ओके, अगस्त महीने में कैसा है आपका डिमांड? कितना आ सकता है? 120, क्योंकि स्कूल चालू हो रहा है, मतलब कुछ भी होता है, डिमांड. ओके, सो कितना डिमांड है? 120 का डिमांड है. मतलब ऐसे कैसे पता चला कि ये 120 का आ सकता है बोल के?
Previous trend check करते हैं.
Yes, correct. Previously, maybe after 4-5 years, you might have seen that in history that in August we maybe demand, क्या बोला हिंदी में, क्या? आवश्यकता पड़ सकता है. ओके, हाँ, माल तो ओके, इतना आ सकता है अगस्त में. सितंबर में 110 आ सकता है, इतना. मतलब ये जो है ना, ये
forecasting कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, yes,
Depend upon forecasting, sir.
Okay, yeah. Forecasting, how you will come to forecasting, depending, there are some tools and processes, and you see the historical data and current situation. where you can analyze that here 120 quantities of cycles or 120 number of cycles you may need to be produced in August. Okay, that is called demand. इसको क्या हम बोलते हैं? PIR. ओके, और क्या हुआ? एक कस्टमर आया. कस्टमर कौन सा है? एक कस्टमर आया, उसको एम्प्लॉय के लिए 10 साइकिल चाहिए. कौन सा कस्टमर है? कौन सा कस्टमर है? म्युनिसिपालिटी. ओके, म्युनिसिपालिटी का एक मतलब म्युनिसिपालिटी का 10 उसको साइकिल चाहिए. ये म्युनिसिपालिटी जो है ना, और एनी कंपनी है ना, ये है कस्टमर. ओके, इट इज टोटल डिमांड कितना हुआ? 130. ओके, so here PIR is nothing but plant independent requirements. Here PIR is 120. ओके, सो कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट कितना हुआ? 10. नाउ यू पीपल अंडरस्टूड?
यस.
ओके, सो अभी जो डिमांड है ना, एक कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट एंड PIR. आप इसको भी फुलफिल करना है और इसको भी फुलफिल करना है. ओके, so to help to produce this, there are planning strategies to help how we will produce it. Okay, and we will see customization. So in SAP you have the transactional data as a customization data. So to do the transactional data, you need to customize depending upon your factory or plant or your business. Okay, so there are two production processes mainly. So make to stock and make to order. Okay, what is make to stock and what is make to order? Make to stock is nothing but you will make a product and keep it in your warehouse. Whenever there is a sales order, whenever there is a sales order is coming, so you will ship it, or you will issue the goods to that sales order. Okay, that is make to stock. What is make to order? Make to order, see here, the word itself, it tells that once you receive the order, you will make that product. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so see here, what will happen? MTS. Okay, what is MTS and what is MTO? Let us discuss this in more detail. अटलास साइकिल है और हीरो साइकिल है, जो नॉर्मल साइकिल है. आपको पता रहता है कि हर महीना 100 उसका प्रोडक्शन करेंगे तो उसका डिमांड जो उत्पादन करेंगे तो हम उसको बेच सकते हैं. ओके, 100 क्वांटिटी का हर महीना. ओके, और क्या होता है, कभी कभार एक साइकिल रेसिंग के लिए और कुछ स्पेशल टाइप के साइकिल चाहिए रहता है. थ्री व्हील साइकिल चाहिए रहता है, नहीं तो टायर बड़ा रहना चाहिए रहता है, नहीं तो हाइट ज्यादा रहता है. वैसे साइकिल जो है ना, अगर आप प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो रखेंगे तो उसको लेने वाला कस्टमर नहीं रहता है वो पता नहीं. ओके, that time what will happen, any customer will come and he will tell you that I need such a specification cycles. So that time what will happen, you will receive that specifications or that that kind of requirements. So that is called make to order. Okay, here make to stock, what will happen, so sales order will not influence the production process. So you will know that आपके पास 10 मशीन है. ओके, 10 मशीन हर दिन एक काम करता हूँ, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, ओके, सैटरडे। आपका क्या होता है, आपके पास 10 मशीन है। हर मशीन में आप कितने साइकिल्स प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं? 8 साइकिल प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं। कि आपका 10 मशीन जो है उसको आइडल भी नहीं रख सकते, उसको मतलब मशीन खरीद के रख के उसको waste नहीं कर सकते। आपको पता रहता है कि प्रोडक्शन करेंगे और वेयरहाउस में रखेंगे। सो कितना हुआ, एक मशीन में 8 प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, तो 10 मशीन को कितना हुआ, 80। ओके, ऐसे मतलब यू विल प्रोड्यूस इट एंड कीप इट। ओके, कितना हुआ?
फोर एटी।
ओके, 480 हुआ क्या? ओके, नाइस। हाँ, तो यहाँ पे क्या है, आपका वेयरहाउस है। आप क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे 480 प्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो रखेंगे। अब कोई कस्टमर आएगा और उसको यहाँ से आप उसको गुड्स इश्यू करेंगे। ओके, मेक टू ऑर्डर में क्या होता है, मतलब मेक टू ऑर्डर में ये फिक्स नहीं रहता है। आपका मशीन का कैपेसिटी कितना है, हर दिन का 80 रहता है। ओके, कस्टमर का प्रोडक्ट वो ऑर्डर कितना आता है, मे बी इट मे कम 60, ओके, 85, लाइक दैट। ओके, 95, इट मे कम। ओके, इट डिपेंड्स किस कस्टमर को कितना चाहिए, वो वी आर नॉट श्योर। ओके, दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन MTS and MTO, sorry. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here the sales order is a triggering point or the reason for the production in MTO. MTS, where there is no influence of sales order will come. Okay, and what will come, one is pure make to stock, one is pure make to order. Okay, and you can mix MTS plus MTO. ओके, यू कैन PIR प्लस कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, जो सेल्स ऑर्डर और PIR जो रहता है ना, डिमांड, इंडिपेंडेंट डिमांड, वो मिक्स कर सकते हैं। सो ओके, देयर इज वी कम विथ द कंजम्पशन लॉजिक। ओके, while going further we will come to know, we will understand. Okay, the function of demand management is to determine the requirement quantities मतलब आवश्यकता, okay, and delivery dates for finished product and assembly at a particular dates matlab when it is required. Here sorry, maybe August 1st I need so and so quantity. Okay, to determine that quantity and particular date of a particular finished goods is called demand management. PIR can be entered manually. PIR matlab planned independent requirements, okay, through external program or tool or SOP. This is SOP is sales and operations, okay, forecast. There are other tools or other SAP is a tool, okay, ERP tool. Apart from SAP, there are other tools, planning tools are there. Maybe you people are aware or not. So planning may come from other tool also. In SAP also you can plan. Okay, so demand management is the link between top level requirement planning, that is SOP forecasting, with material requirement planning. So material requirement planning is so after demand management, once you know the demand and once you know how many quantities of finished good are there in your warehouse, that is called stock. Then comes the net requirement. Net requirement matlab आपके पास आपका डिमांड जो है 100 है, ओके, और आपके वेयरहाउस में स्टॉक पड़ा है 50, तो कितना डिमांड हुआ, नेट रिक्वायरमेंट कितना हुआ, बोलो, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी, एनीवन? 50. So, okay, that is called net requirement. Demand minus stock minus demand. Okay, so that is called net requirement. So that net requirement जो रहता है वो फिनिश्ड गुड रहता है. फिनिश्ड गुड के अंदर मतलब फिनिश्ड गुड बनाने के लिए आपको रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए. So those raw materials, how you will do it? Either they will be in your in-house or maybe some other plants of your company, or you may need to procure it from external vendor. Okay, so that material requirement plan we will do after once you know the net requirement to finish for the quantity of 50 quantity of finished goods, that is net requirement. What are the dependent requirements or the raw materials required for finished good? So all these dates and everything, quantities, all those things will be calculated in MRP. Okay, material requirement planning. This one is master production scheduling. Okay, we will see this also. Okay, so this is a pictorial representation. Okay, manual entry, either you can do, how you will do it, manual entry. So I'll show you how to do this. What is that, MS? MSTS. Can anyone tell?
MSDS,
Huh?
material safety data sheet something.
No, not that. So to enter MSTSC. So you people are practicing. I request you people to practice. Okay. 183.82. 120. 120. 214. Usually, what will be the strength of what is the strength of the students usually from last?
Or around 10.
183. Yes. Okay. So here this is the SAP screen. So how manual entry can be done? How manual entry will be done? So there is a transactional code called MD61. Okay, MD61. So demand management. So here, if you know the material, plant, and usually this is a create plant PIR, okay, initial screen. So here you will come to know, here you can enter the manual entry for the demand, okay, PIRs, plant independent requirements. So planning period, usually it will be monthly. You can here, you can see that weekly you can do, okay, weekly format you can do, day format you can do, and month format. So other calendar format also you can do, and you can customize this also, okay. Before going, we can see any PIRs. So I'll check any material, okay. So okay, so there is this COOIS. It is a very crucial transactional code, or any this one for PP. Okay. So okay, we are not getting any data over here. So what I'll do? Okay. So I just there is a word called system status. I have just kept that as a so. Okay. Okay, so I'll take this material, okay, in this plant 1710. Okay, what I'll do, so I'll go to MD63. MD63 is nothing but display. MD61 is, okay, I'll paste this material. What is the plant name? 1710. Just go and check. You have any requirement type? Yes. Okay, so there is no requirement. MD04. Okay. So I have copied this material. Actually, this is the order number. This is the material. Okay. So I'll do one thing. So you can see here, if you go, so planned independent requirement display. Okay. So here, this is the quantity. Sorry, this is the plant, and this is the quantity 1, and this is the quantity 2. Okay. For this month, February and March, for this material in this plant. So can MD63, what is that? MD63, where you can see the PIR display. Okay. Month is 1. So month I have month is 1. So this is this display. Okay. So how to enter manually? So you people are following, no? Is it understand? Okay. And you people are understanding, no? Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So here manual entry, I just see, I just went to MD63 and see that the manual entry has done. So I'll show you how to do the manual entry in MD61. So I'll do manual entry for this material. Okay. For current month. Okay. So you can go here, this is MD63. In this one only, you can go and either you can create here or change here. So here only you can go. So you need not to go to MD61. Okay. So what is current is 27 and next month is 28. So I'll go, maybe you can choose monthly or weekly. So I'll just select monthly, and I'll add a requirement of how many quantities? 80. Okay. I'll save it. Save it. Okay. So I have added the requirement. So that is manual entry. So this is a SOP and everything. Maybe we can see it later, or maybe I think some disturbances is there. Can you please go on mute? Okay. Okay. So how we have seen manual entry. Okay, manual entry of demand, that is PIR. Okay, where I can see whether I have entered that or not. Either you can see it in here in the system. Okay, you can go to PIR display and you can check. So here I have entered. Okay, then what has happened? What will happen is you can either see it in stock requirement list. Okay, what is stock requirement list is okay, MD04. Okay, this transaction you will use numerous time. What is MD04? What is this? This is stock and requirement list. What is stock? What is the finished good? What is the raw material? What is there in? How many quantities there? Which warehouse? That is, you can see it in the display. And requirements. Requirements is nothing but how many quantities. What is that word in Hindi? You told. Demand को क्या बोलते हैं?
आवश्यकता.
हाँ, आवश्यकता. यहाँ पे आपको आवश्यकता भी दिखाई देगी और आपके वेयर हाउस में मतलब स्टोरेज लोकेशंस में कितना क्वांटिटी का स्टॉक पड़ा है वो भी पता चलेगा. अभी देखो, मैंने अभी कितना 80 क्वांटिटी का PIR डाला है. ओके, आई विल जस्ट कंटिन्यू. सो हियर VSF, दैट इज ओके 80 क्वांटिटी का. कब? यहाँ पे जुलाई का. सो अगर एक यहाँ पे आपको यहाँ पे भी पता चल सकता है. ओके, नॉट दिस वन. Here also you can see it, but you cannot see the sales order over here. Okay, so sales order, if I create a sales order, you will come to know here that here one what is the sales order quantity. Okay, is it clear? I'll create one sales order. Okay, however, it is not your this one, but Order type. Order type. Okay, I'll create one sales order. That is VA01, that is transaction code. I don't remember what is sales order. ओके मैं यहाँ पे मटेरियल डाल रहा हूँ ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी का कितना 50 का ओके इट्स डिटरमाइंड ओके सेव no So SE16N is a transactional code where you can see the tables. Okay. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ सेल्स ऑर्डर देख रहा हूँ कितना है 57 quantities. Just execute. Created. 52 a sales order number है. I'll just check. BA03 to display the sales order. कितना था 54 है? Okay, 52. ओके यहाँ पे 229 एक मटेरियल है. ओके that is pulsar 100 cc. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll check the stock requirement list. B04. Plant. One nine. Okay. Available quantity 56. We do a initial stock entry, manual initial stock entry with the 229. Okay, so that 29 control M. So what is the transaction code to enter manual demand? Can anyone tell? Okay. Requirement exist. Data. So if master data is not correct, then it is very difficult. 1198. Okay, I'll enter PIR quantity of 120 quantity, 120. So you people are following now, correct? So what I did, I have entered planned independent requirement, that is PIR quantity of 120. Okay, so this is 120. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create one sales order for this one. Okay, 229. What is the transaction code? VA01. Okay, so here with I'll create with reference. With reference. What is that order number? 34, I think. Copy. Working document. Hey,
Sir, how to create a sales order?
How to?
Create a sales order. Can you please explain again?
How to create the sales order?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm creating that one. VA01. Actually, that is not part of that is not our part, but I'll show you. Maybe I'm showing it, correct? So, what is the order type here? Order type 229. Change. Order quantity. So maybe I'll change the existing order quantity. Okay. And delivery date, that is okay. And I'll save it. So there are some errors coming, but can ignore for the currently. Okay, sales order 34 has been saved. So here it should show in MD04 screen. MD04 is nothing but stock requirement list. Okay, so it has to show here. No, it is not coming. Okay. Check out. Sales document. You are okay. Anyway, maybe tomorrow I'll show you people that one. For now, we did not cover much. Maybe we will close now. So you people are clear about what is demand, and what is customer requirement, what is net requirement. Correct? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Okay. So here, what will happen? Our
That is clear, sir, but
requirement.
MT04 and that command.
What happened?
Yeah. Yeah, those MT04 and those command is not clear, sir.
Okay. Now, for the time being, that is MD04 is a display of stock and requirement. So it of a particular material at a particular plant. Okay. आपका जो material रहता है, आपका finished जो there will be a finished good. So material number, and for that particular plant, you will know that what is the stock and what is the requirement, what is the planned orders, what is the production orders, what is the purchase requisitions. So that information you will find it in MD04 screen. Okay. Is it clear?
That's only
Okay, sir.
after MRP run only we can say that. No?
No, after MRP run, no. Whenever there is a requirement or receipt elements for that particular material in that particular plant, there it will be visible in MD04 screen. Though that will show you current stock and requirement list. Okay.
Okay.
So a requirement is the quantity of material that is required in a plant at a certain time. Material that is required in a plant at a certain time. Types of requirements are PIR and custom requirements. The net requirement calculation for MRP procurement is necessary only if the requirement situation exceeds the stock or receipt situation at the time of comparison. This comparison is called net requirement calculation. So that is net requirement is nothing but आपका demand और आपके stock. So okay, that is called net requirement.
MD05
Demand
is the
MD0
MD05 is the last planning situation, sir, right?
No. Those things we will discuss later. Okay, don't involve those things here. Okay,
Okay.
whatever. Okay, so but that we will discuss later. Okay, so now that net requirement calculation, it is demand minus stock minus demand when you are comparing at that particular time. Okay, so once you compare that, when the situation arises that your requirement or demand is more than your stock, then there is a question of procurement. The procurement is nothing but either it is a production in-house or procurement from the external vendor. Okay, आप अगर finished good है तो आप you will manufacture in-house. If it is a raw material, then you will procure it from some other vendors. Okay, only that situation, production or procurement situation, only arises when there is a situation when your requirements exceeds your stock. मतलब आपका डिमांड ज्यादा है, आपके पास फुलफिल करने के लिए स्टॉक नहीं है. That time what will happen? There is a deficit. There is a deficit of some quantities. So you have to produce it or you have to procure it. Okay, that is the main trigger of MRP run. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So planning strategy specifies one of the possible material planning procedures. Okay, आपका पास मतलब requirement आ गया, net requirement आ गया, 10 का net requirement आ गया. So how you will produce it? Either you want to produce it make to stock production, okay, or final assembly based on sales orders. Final assembly triggered without sales order, with sales order. मतलब आप मतलब you will start production with the sales order or without the sales order. Okay, then make to order production only without planning. So until unless you receive a sales order, you will not start the production. Here you can say that pure make to stock, pure make to order, and mix of MTS and MTO. Okay, how does SAP, the reason for using planning strategy is how does SAP process planned independent requirements? Here what will happen in planning strategy, you will do, you will combine the PIR and sales orders. What possibly you can do, how you can produce it. So the planning strategy will help in that. It will help. Okay. So what is actually planning strategy? Planning strategy in customizing compromises with requirement types and customer requirement and independent requirement. So this is independent requirement and this is customer requirement. Again, this customer requirement, it is made up of requirement class here, customer requirement also requirement class and independent requirement class. Okay, we will see this one tomorrow. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, initially we will go slow and maybe we will cover more. Maybe I may need some more hours, because if I go and explaining more than 1 hour, it will not be helpful for you people. Okay, so please suggest me some other days and some other hours also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, I request you people to please practice. Okay. So here what you have to practice: MD04, MD61. Okay, MD04. Check MD06, MD04 screen. Okay, take that material. Take this material. Where is that? So and check what is happening. Okay, 229 material and what was the other material? 8201. Okay. So just check this and just see if any questions we will discuss in tomorrow class, and we will continue. Okay. We will see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir.
So I need,
Good night.
is it okay or is it fast or how it is? So maybe you can tell me tomorrow so that we can continue like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye. Can 1 minute. I'll take the. Okay, fine. Bye. See you all.
Okay, sir. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night. Bye.